Cops named Livity Coke, the brother of former Tivoli strongman Christopher Dodos Coke, as a person of interest in West Kingston. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Kingston Western Police have listed Leeson Livity Coke, the brother of incarcerated drug kingpin Christopher Dodos Coke, as one of 13 persons of interest who should turn themselves over into authorities for questioning in the next 24 hours. Investigators believe that the men can assist them with their probe into several incidents of murders and shooting that have been committed in the division recently. The men are therefore being asked to make contact with the Denham Town Police by 4 p.m. on Saturday, August 28, the police said in a release. The other persons on the list are Philip Brown, otherwise called Phil, Lawrence Stewart, otherwise called Richie Stone, Dwayne Grant, otherwise called Billy, Roshan Samuels, otherwise called Son, Devon Sylvan, otherwise called Coffee, Marlon Hall, otherwise called Tupac, Romaine Carter, otherwise called Stu Pease, Akeem Bailey, otherwise called Lollipop, and a man known only as Rory, and another one known only as Ready Up, another one known as Straight Up, another one known as Kala Kala, and another man known only as Little Man. In addition to anyone with information can assist the police to locate these persons, he's been encouraged to call the Denham Town Police at 876-948-6443. Persons can also contact the Crime Stop number at 311 or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.